Crew and Kinley.
On today's episode, we meet Mirabel at Magic Kingdom. Hi! Hi, Mirabel.
That's okay, I got it.
You shy now?
Come on, right here. Are you siblings?
Yeah, they're being shy, huh? You okay?
My cousin Antonio, he's also a little shy. Yeah. He's super cool.
Yeah.
He's on the animals.
Whoa.
His favorite animal is the jaguar. Now, what's your favorite animal? What's your symbol? Do you want to know my favorite one? Ready? Butterflies.
Whoa.
And that one. And this one.
Whoa.
And that one. And that one.
Oh my goodness, so many
You like
butterflies.
elephants. Can you tell her you like elephants?
You like it?
Ooh.
Yay! And what's your favorite animal? What do you think?
She said Elsa.
Elsa? I think that's one of my favorite faces. That's okay.
That's silly, Gibby.
Are you shy?
Do you want her to sign your books?
Awesome.
Right,
I got
thank
it.
you.
Now, what do you think? Big or little?
What you want, big or little?
A big one.
So yeah, big one.
Oh, shoot. Maybe.
Thank you.
And then my favorite animal.
That's so cute, huh?
Okay, one more time. Oh, wait for the music.
We don't talk about
What we do now.
We do now. He's pretty cool. I liked him.
I was thinking maybe we can work on the lyrics. It could be we do.
We do talk about it. I like that. That'd be cool. And then, are you able to sign Mom's water bottle?
Flip the marker over, maybe with the thicker side.
Oh,
It's a double, yes.
Oh, that's so.
And then sign the water bottle anywhere you want.
Perfect. Maybe right here.
Okay.
Oh, this is a cool one.
Can I take a Can I hold you for a picture? Or do you want to stay with her?
Okay. He's just having a little dance party.
Yeah. Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you.
All right, now we're gonna stand next to her to take a picture, okay?
You want to come in for a picture?
Yay! Stand right here. You want mommy to hold you? Okay.
There we go.
Right.
Ready?
Ready?
Look at the kids.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for dancing with me. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Oh, you're sad to
Scan your
go?
magic band.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
You want to stay with her?
You like
We're
her?
gonna go see some more person.
Special thanks to Walt Disney World. See you on the next adventure.